Hi there, it's Paula Clark with the Paula Clark Group and Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in front of 262 the Parkway here in Harrington Park. It is such a quiet street. This home has been renovated to the nines. It has a 5-bedroom, 4 full baths, fully finished lower level, and you can walk to the parks. You're close to school. You're right near the reservoir, so for beautiful views. I mean, what more can you ask for? If you'd like to see this home and others that I have on the market and you want to hear it here first, you call, text, or send me an email at paula@paulaclarkrealtor.com. 262 the Parkway here in Harrington Park.